Hello, my name is Anders, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what to do if you've declined the disclaimer for Facebook's Places application. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to click on the search bar at the top of your Facebook profile and type Places. So the first thing that should pop up is Places Editor, which Facebook published. So we're just going to go to that right now. And it's going to ask us if we want to help improve Facebook Places. Now, when you do go to this, if you've declined Facebook Places before, it should give you the option of opting back into Places so you can join your friends. If you want to share the places that you do edit and take part in the real world on your Facebook timeline, just find Add to Timeline on the bottom right-hand side of this, click Add to Timeline, and then click Go to App. Now, once you go to this app, you're basically opting back in, and you may have to okay the disclaimer for Facebook Places again, which isn't a big deal if you want to be involved now. And from then on in, you should be able to take place in the world. And then, from then on in, once you've done that, from then on in, you should be able to take part in Facebook Places with no problems. My name's Anders Johnson, and today I've talked a little bit about what to do if you did not okay the disclaimer for Facebook Places.